I was consulting for a manufacturing company when their digital transformation started going sideways. They had designed an AI enabled tool to track productivity down to the second. Every pause flagged, every deviation logged, and they were proud of it until people started quitting. One engineer pulled me aside and said, "This thing watches me like it doesn't trust me. I'm not the machine part, I'm a person." The AI wasn't broken, it was doing exactly what they told it to do. And the problem wasn't the technology, it was the mindset behind it. Let's be clear, there wasn't some villainous intent behind it all. These were good people, and their good intentions were rooted in mental models that hadn't been updated in decades. They saw AI as a control mechanism. Their mental model said people need surveillance to stay productive. That belief, whether conscious or not, that's what shaped the entire system. And it created the very culture that people ended up fearing. Now, contrast that with another team I worked with, same industry, same technology, completely different outcome. They started with a different belief that frontline workers had insights AI couldn't see. So they built a tool to suggest improvements and made it learn from human feedback. Workers could override it. Circuit breakers ensured human interventions at critical moments. People provided real time input that the system adapted. Productivity improved, satisfaction soared. Why? Because workers could see that their input mattered and that the success of the AI initiative depended on them. Two AI systems, same technology, completely different impact. Why? Because the AI doesn't just reflect your data, it reflects your assumptions. We don't just train AI on inputs, we train it on intent. And that's what makes AI so powerful and so dangerous. It scales our beliefs, often without us realizing it. Let's take it deeper. In waterfall style thinking, variation is failure. People are seen as variables to control, to keep everything in line. Efficiency is everything. So when that mindset designs an AI system, you get rigidity. Systems that treat creativity as a risk and autonomy as a liability. And in complex environments where work is ambiguous, human, and evolving, that approach falls apart. AI can be adaptive if we help this, if we enable it to sense and respond. If we allow it to do it, then we get the information from it. That's how it can help us. Let's look at something simple, prompt engineering. If your mindset is command and control, your prompts will probably sound like do exactly this, no deviation. You're shoehorning the AI into your way of thinking. If your mindset is collaborative, your prompts probably sound more like here's the context, consider these constraints, suggest some opinions and opinions that you have, and let me know how you got there. One gets obedience, the other sparks creativity. That's how you discover the miraculously wonderful stuff. Remember that what counts is what's counted and how you count it. Your metrics reveal your mental model. Most teams use classical automation metrics like speed, cost savings, error rates, and those have value if you're optimizing a known process. Growth oriented teams track different things: learning rate, feedback integration, adaptability. What you measure reflects what you value, and what you value shapes what you build. Here's a practice I recommend: AR mirror sessions. They use the AI to reflect your organization back to you. Feed it anonymized meetings transcripts, decision logs, role assignments, and ask it to surface patterns. You might uncover that 80% of high impact decisions came from the same three people, despite claims of shared decision making, or that junior employees consistently get routine work while the exciting puzzles go to the senior staff. No one intended it, no one noticed it until the mirror reflected it back. Then we see what we missed. That's the gift and the danger of AI. It shows us who we are, sometimes before we're ready to see it or willing to see it. So, how do we build better? Try three simple mindset shifts. First, shift from replacement to augmentation. Don't ask, what can AI do instead of humans? Ask, how can AI extend what humans do best? And sometimes that means using AI not to replicate human behavior, but to offload from humans whatever repetitive work is getting in their way. That perspective starts when we stop seeing humans as the problem and start valuing what only humans can do or what we can do best. Second, move from control to collaboration. Design AI systems that negotiate, adapt, and explain, not systems that simply follow rigid instructions or execute in isolation. And third, shift from efficiency only to efficiency and resilience. AI makes it plausible to build systems that are fast and flexible, reasonably predictable, because let's face it, AI is all about statistics, and adaptive. So that's the real potential of AI, not automation, but elevation of what we can build moving forward. If you only see AI as an automation engine on steroids, you're missing the point of AI. And you're opening the door to dangerous, dehumanizing implementations. If you've already built an AI system and you want to know what your organization truly believes about people, about trust, about the future, look at what your AI does when no one's watching. Because AI is your culture at scale. So, do you like what you see in the mirror? Let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more about how to develop human AI partnerships to amplify your business potential, look one of these. I'll be happy to tell you all about it.